Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Windows for a secure update. Open Services and confirm Windows Update is set to automatic and running. This provides the update channel MSE needs. Once done, make sure your system clock and time zone are accurate because certificate checks fail with wrong time. Also pause any VPNs or proxies temporarily. They often block Microsoft endpoints. Then launch an elevated command prompt as administrator. You'll use it next to reset networking and update clients. Now you reset update components to clear corruption. In the admin command prompt, stop services, Windows Update, cryptographic services, and bits. This frees locked files. Next, rename C/Windows/software distribution and C/Windows/system32/catroot22. Old, this preserves data while forcing fresh metadata download. Once renamed, restart the same services you stopped, so the system recreates clean folders. Finally, run ipconfig. Finish by rebooting. This commits network and service resets. After reboot, open Microsoft Security Essentials and click Update, or run Windows Update manually. You should now get definitions without 0x80072efe. If the error persists, temporarily disable third-party firewall or antivirus because they commonly block update servers, then try again. If updates still fail, run the Microsoft Fix-It Network troubleshooter or revert the software distribution backup to inspect logs. One key tip: capture Windows Update. Log and check for 401/403/0x80072efe codes to target filtering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.